We got several Ram 2500s. We also got some shipments of Ram 1500s in. This 2025 Ram 1500 Rebel comes fully loaded. Billet silver metallic clear coat, luxury leather trim bucket seats, air-conditioned front seats, heated front and rear seats. We have towing technology group. The Ram Rebel Crew Cab comes with the 3.0-liter Hurricane twin-turbo 8-speed automatic engine with stop-start technology. The Rebel also has heads-up display, Sirius XM radio with Uconnect, push-button start, remote start, blind spot indicator system, parking sensors. We just got 2 big shipments of trucks in. If you want information on the Ram Rebel or you want to schedule a test drive, call 901-872-0195